just watching eyes away, darker watching eyes away, darker watching eyes away.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are back with a Peach Cobbler Wine. I wanted to do this because I could have done a peach wine by itself, but I wanted to add a little twist to actually making this peach wine. I wanted to think outside the box as far as using spices, using extracts, and kind of come up with my own unique flavor. Like I said, I always love to do things differently. So this is my take on it. As always, I'm going to go through the ingredients that we are going to be using. So let's get started. First, we're going to be using 6 pounds of peaches, 1.5 pounds of white sugar, 1/2 pound of well, actually it's not dark brown sugar, it's regular brown sugar. We're also using our 1 lemon, but today, guys, I think I'm gonna try to use half a lemon wedge juice for our lemon juice, for the acid, see how that works. Also using some Earl Grey HEB premium black tea, 1 bag of that for our tannin. We're using 1 gallon of water at least to top up our cowboy, or for the recipe, whatever we may need. For today also, we're going to be using a little something different. Guys, I'm going with 1/2 pound of golden raisins to add a little body to our peach wine. Peach wine tends to have a lighter body to it, almost similar to a white wine. So hopefully adding 1/2 pound of the golden raisins, we can get a little bit more body out of this peach wine. And also, like I said, we're using a lot more peaches to get a stronger peach flavor out of our wine. For the spices to kind of add that peach cobbler spice, we're going to use 1 cinnamon stick, 2 of our whole cloves, or cloves should I say, I'm sorry about that, and maybe 6 to 8 allspice berries that we're going to add to this. I'm also going to be putting together an extract that that is known to be pretty good, but it's more of an emulsion from what I hear. I did a little research, and the actual version of this, a lot of people say it tends to be better, but you can use the mock-up version, which works pretty well if you're trying to get away with a specific flavor you're trying to go for. And that's what they call cream bouquet. And that's what we're going to be making with the extracts that you see right next to us. It's made with pure vanilla, butter extract, lemon extract, and also almond extract. So that's what we'll be using for this recipe today, guys. Our equipment is going to be our 1 gallon carboy along with our airlock and bung that's already filled up. And I don't have the hydrometer out. That's the one thing that I forgot, the hydrometer and actually the cylinder. And now that I know this, we also forgot to put the yeast out. But today I think I'm gonna be going with 71B. And also remember, guys, you can use yeast of your choice. I'm just trying different yeast out, like I told you guys before, to see how things work out, to see what flavor it imparts or what potentially does it do to our batch of wine. But that's what I'm going to be using today. So anyway, enough with all of the fun. Hopefully we can get something that tastes in alcoholic form, like Granny's sweet peach cobbler, and we'll see if we'll pull that off, like I say, in the alcoholic version. So guys, I'm done. Let's get to this process.